Oh, that's better than I thought. Yeah, that's massive. It's got your name on it too. It's really exciting. That's brilliant. Achievement. I'm so happy for her. That's fantastic. Such a good achievement. She's done so well. I'm so happy. And you should be. I'm proud of you too.